Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So today's video is kind of a weird one. And if you might have received these coupons in the mail, I want to address this because there's some weird stuff I've been hearing at the stores. So I guess it was around Christmas time or early December. There was some sort of website that P&G released where they were going to give you free products for Secret or Old Spice deodorants, and I think like one kind of body wash. You had to apply for it, and I think like the week of the Dollar General clearance event, so last week, these started arriving in the mail. It's a very weird coupon because it's white, it has a barcode, and then it has your name printed below. One time per use, and most people who made this application, we were given three. So three per household. And you didn't even have to show receipts or anything, but if you bought Secret deodorant or Old Spice, you were able to get free stuff. I think there was some sort of like talc or some sort of carcinogenic in it. So they wanted to get you to throw it in the garbage, and they would present you three of these coupons. Now, at the Dollar General and at Walgreens, these coupons are taking the cashiers and management for a really big loop. They absolutely do not want to accept them. And I had the manager at a Dollar General, like the top lady in the store, basically tell me about this fake coupon because it looks very hokey. There's no way around it. Like, it doesn't look like it's from the manufacturer. There's no like seal or anything like that, because sometimes there's a seal if it's from the manufacturer. And they're on high alert, especially at Dollar General and Walgreens, two stores that I frequent, to not accept this. So the manager was telling me that this lady showed up and she was so adamant that these were real coupons, which they are. And she was just like, trying to present them. The manager couldn't take it. And so the manager was explaining this story like second, third hand to me, because she's like, can you believe this woman tried to get away with this? And I had no idea what the coupon was for. And then I'm like, did it have her name on the bottom? And she's like, yeah. I'm like, oh my gosh, that actually came from the manufacturer. And it was because of the cancer properties in certain deodorants and body washes that they wanted consumers to throw their stuff away, and they were going to present these. And I'm like, they just showed up in the mail. I'm like, because I got one too. And the manager just looked at me. She's like, oh gosh, because she had no idea. And this woman came into the store at 7 o'clock. It's not like she could call somebody for assistance. She just had to say no. But the couponer who did show up and tried to use them, like, how embarrassing and just such a bad situation to be in. And to the manager's credit, like, initially she's like, can you believe this woman did this, and that she was trying to get away with coupon fraud and this weird coupon that looks like so hokey pokey. And I was like, oh my gosh. And after I explained it to her, I'm like, there was a letter that came from the manufacturer with the coupon serial numbers attached to it. I'm like, she should bring that in too, because it'll show that this is a legitimate thing. And I think P&G's phone number and all that stuff is there. I think really P&G did a disservice to a lot of us, because a lot of us that live in rural towns, most managers are probably not going to want to take that. I would recommend to go during the normal 9 to 5. Bring the letter, bring your license, and then show it. Alternatively, I think it would be a lot easier to use these coupons at a Walmart or like a Meijer grocery store, like a bigger chain store. You would probably have an easier time. This is just super uber frustrating, and I think that website to get these free deodorants or body wash, it's no longer available. Like, we had a window till the end of the year to apply. I don't even remember applying, but I did, because I actually got some in the mail. And when I saw the coupon, I thought it was really weird looking. But it's not only at my country Dollar General, but also at Walgreens. I got the same song and dance where a manager pulled me aside and he's like, oh my gosh, this person came in with this weird coupon and they were so adamant and we couldn't accept it. They didn't even scan the coupon. They were just saying no. So goodness gracious, I would bring it to like a Walmart, maybe go to the customer service desk and bring the letter. Do not throw your letter out, and just take it from there. But yeah, P&G really, I mean, they should have just given us $21 on a PayPal drop or something like that, or send you a check for $21, because this is turning out to just be ridiculous. And for that one lady who went to that country Dollar General and really stood her ground, they didn't call the police or do anything. They just refused the sale. She was there at 7 o'clock at night as well. But this coupon, because it is black and white, I think it's going to cause a lot of problems for a lot of us. So really throw it in your back pocket. If one of these arrive for you, keep the letter, show your driver's license, and explain the website. And P&G's information, it's in the top right-hand corner. Get them to call that number to validate it. And if your first and last name is there and you have your driver's license, it shouldn't be a problem. So anyhow, guys, good luck with this one. And I'm going to try and use my coupons. I have till like June to use it. So hopefully it won't be too awful, but probably a store like Walmart would be the easiest place to use it. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.